Welcome back to my video, guys. Today I'm going to build a mini DIY camera. Okay, let's get started. Okay, first we need this thing that can you see. Okay, and next we need this small thing. Put it on here, down here. And another part, this one. And then we put it right here and snap it together. There we go. And the next one is the same thing as just now. This one at the back, right here. Okay, and we need this one. Right, put it at here. And then we need this one at here. Okay, right here. Okay, right here. Then at the top, this thing kind of looks like a light. And this thing, a round thing, I don't know what it is. And I put it here, and then we put it at here. There we go. Next, we need to make another camera. Put this away. This one, we need this thing, and take two of these right here, and two of these, and this. Snap it together like that, and then put on the lights. Okay, and another one right here, and put the lights. There we go. See now, and then we build it like that together. Okay, there we go. Can you see it like that? And next, do another camera. We need this one, this thing, and then we need this one. Okay, first we build the upper one. Now we need this one, okay, and then build this one, so it kind of looks like a camera. And on the back, we need this thing. This one a flat piece, the 1x1, and then we need this one right here. Okay, there we go. There we go. And then last thing, put this on right here. Go out and move this one around. There you go. And then the last thing is put this on, and then we build it here. And this. Okay, there you go. We complete this thing. If you guys wanna watch more Lego video like this, please like and subscribe. See you in my next Lego video. Bye.